Post-construction termite treatment clauses in builder warranties and remediation provisions must be written so homeowners and builders clearly understand who pays for treatment and repairs when infestations appear after occupancy. Start by reviewing the builder warranty and any statutory disclosure for explicit language about pest control, including who is responsible for post-construction termite treatment and whether remediation includes structural repairs or only treatment. When inspecting an infestation, document everything with dated photos and detailed notes about where damage and mud tubes are found, and secure an initial licensed pest control operator report describing infestation scope, recommended treatments, and estimated costs. This creates an objective record. Require the builder to remediate per contract terms by submitting a written notice with the documented evidence and requesting a written plan and schedule for treatment and repairs within a short, specified time frame. If the contract does not require remediation, rely on statutory disclosure obligations or local building code provisions that allocate responsibility, and consider negotiating a remediation addendum instead of immediate litigation. Use licensed professionals for both treatment and structural repair, and keep all receipts, reports, and communications organized by date to support any claim. If the builder refuses to act, consult an attorney experienced in construction law and provide the organized evidence packet to streamline dispute resolution or mediation. 3 common mistakes are accepting vague warranty language that does not define post-construction termite coverage, failing to create dated, professional documentation of the infestation, and assuming treatment alone resolves structural damage. If warranty language is vague, negotiate clear contract amendments that specify who pays for treatment and repair and what standards apply. If documentation is weak, gather a licensed pest control operator report and take high-quality dated photographs immediately and keep every communication in writing to establish timelines. If you accept only chemical treatment, insist on a licensed structural inspection as well, and contract separately for repairs when there is wood damage to prevent unresolved structural risk. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around renovation and repair topics related to builder responsibility and pest remediation. We help homeowners find local professionals and let contractors find new leads, and we host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical steps for managing post-construction termite claims.